It's okay to fight, but quickly make up if you still love each other.
Today, we need to talk about something important.
We just don't understand each other.
We need to stop before it's too late. Don't let anger destroy us. We still love each other, right? We'll get through this together. Nothing is more important than our love. Everything gets better when we understand each other. We'll keep this love together. Love is forgiveness and understanding always. Love is not just happiness, but understanding each other even in conflicts. Don't let anger destroy the good things we still have.